Hello viewers, welcome to Smart Tricks for Study YouTube channel. In this video we will study number system from basic to advanced level. Let's get started. Number system. Numbers. In generally, numbers are a mathematical object that is used to count, measure, and label. Or the arithmetic values used to represent quantity. The numbers are divided into real number and imaginary numbers. The real numbers are divided into rational and irrational numbers. Again, rational numbers are classified as integer and fractions. Integers are of two types. 1. Positive integer. 2. Negative integer. Natural numbers and whole numbers are types of positive number. Real number. Rational and irrational number taken together are called real numbers. Imaginary number. A non-real number that is multiple of I, which is square root of -1. I is equal to square root of -1. Example, 3i, I into square root of 3, 4 plus 2i, etc. Rational number. Any number that can be represented in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Irrational number. Any real number that cannot be expressed as ratio of integers. Example, square root of 5, square root of 3, etc. Integer. All counting numbers and their negatives along with 0. Example, -infinity to +infinity. Fractions. Any number that can be represented in the form of p by q, where p and q are whole numbers and q is not equal to 0. Example, 1 by 3, 5 by 9, etc. Whole number. Natural numbers along with 0. Example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Natural numbers. All the counting numbers are called as natural numbers. Example, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Even number. The numbers which are exactly divisible by 2. Example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 so on. Odd numbers. The numbers which leave a remainder 1 when divided by 2. Example, 1, 3, 5, 7. Up to infinity. Prime number. If a number is not divisible by any other number except 1 and itself. Example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 so on. Co-prime numbers. Two numbers which have no common factor between them except 1. Example, 13, 29. Composite number. Numbers which are divisible by other number along with 1 and itself. Example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, so on. Important note to remember. 1. From 1 to 50 total prime numbers is equal to 15. 2. From 1 to 100 total prime numbers is equal to 25. 3. Smallest prime number of 3 digit is 101. 4. Largest prime number of 3 digit is 997. 5. Sum of two prime numbers is always even, except 2. 6. 2 is only even prime number. Next, move to divisibility rules of numbers. Divisibility rules. A number is divisibility by 2. If the last digit is 0 or even, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Divisibility by 3. If the sum of digit is divisible by 3. Example, 819. Here add the digits of given number, that is 8 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 18. And divide it by 3, that is 18 by 3 is equal to 6. So the remainder is 0. Therefore, 819 is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. If the last two digits are divisible by 4. Here, 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. The power is 2. So take last two digits of given number. Example, 236784. Here the last two digit is 84, therefore divide 84 by 4. That is 84 by 4 is equal to 21. If the remainder becomes 0, then the given number is divisible by 4. Therefore 236784 is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. If last digit is 0 or 5. Example, 125, 550, 130, etc. Divisibility by 6, if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Divisibility by 8. If the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Here, 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. The power is 3. So take last 3 digits of given number. Example, 265864. Here the last 3 digit is 864, therefore divide 864 by 8. That is, 864 by 8 is equal to 108. If the remainder becomes 0, then the given number is divisible by 8. Therefore 265864 is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. If the sum of digit is divisible by 9. Example, 267957. Here add the digits of given number, that is 2 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 36. And divide it by 9, that is 36 by 9 is equal to 4. So the remainder is 0. Therefore, 267957 is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. If the last digit is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. Divisibility by 11. If the difference of sum of the digits at even places and odd places is 0 or divisible by 11. Example, 161051. Here take at the odd place digits, that is 1 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 7, and add even place digits, that is 6 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 7. Now take difference of these, we get 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore, 161051 is divisible by 11. Or the difference must be 0 or multiples of 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. In the next video, begins with finding unit digits, simplification, LCM and HCF. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated.